Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a wise old man known for his profound insights. One day, a curious young man approached him seeking guidance on how to increase his own value in the world. The wise old man smiled and beckoned the young man to follow him on a walk through the city streets. As they walked, they passed by various people engaged in different activities: a baker baking bread, a musician playing his violin, a teacher imparting knowledge to eager students, a doctor tending to the sick, and a child playing with a stray dog. At each sight, the young man questioned the old sage, "How does this person add value to the world?" The wise man replied, "Every person you see contributes in their own unique way, each adding a different kind of value to the tapestry of life." They continued their walk until they reached a busy market square where people from all walks of life gathered. The old man pointed to the bustling crowd and said, "Look at the diversity of talents, skills, and experiences present here. Each person brings something valuable to the table." Then, the wise old man paused and looked directly into the young man's eyes. "Your value, young one, lies not just in what you can do, but in who you are. Your kindness, compassion, integrity, and willingness to contribute positively to the world are what truly elevate your worth." The young man pondered these words deeply and realized that true value was not measured by external achievements alone, but by the impact one made on others' lives and the world around them. From that day forward, he dedicated himself to cultivating qualities of empathy, generosity, and service, understanding that in doing so, he was increasing his own worth in the most meaningful way possible by enriching the lives of those around him. And thus, the young man embarked on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, guided by the wisdom of the old sage and the realization that the true value of human life lies in the goodness of the heart and the impact one leaves on the world.